Hello students, in our previous session we had discussed the questions from exercise 1.1. We shall continue our session with the next exercise 1.2. This exercise has got 12 questions. We shall solve each one of them. Look at the first question here. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So this is a question related to addition. So we need to add up the number of tickets sold on each day. They have given the number of tickets sold on first day as 1094. Number of tickets sold on second day is given as 1812. The number of tickets sold on third day is given as 2050. And the number of tickets sold on fourth day is 2751. Therefore, total number of tickets sold will be equal to the sum of these 4. I have to do addition. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. 9 plus 1 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 20. 2 carried forward, 2 plus 8 is 10 plus 7 is 17. So 1 is carried forward, 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 7. 5 plus 2 7. So 7707 were the number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. Let's look into the next question. Question number 2. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Clearly, this question is a question related to subtraction. Here, runs to achieve is 10,000. Runs scored is 6,980. So we can find out runs required To find the runs required, we need to subtract. This is a question related to subtraction. So let us subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. From here you will take a carry. It becomes 10. Minus 8 is 2. So 9 minus 9 is 0. And 9 minus 6 will be 3. From 10 we are taking a carry here. This number becomes 10. 10 minus 8 will become 2. Here 1 is removed from 10. It becomes 9. 9 minus 9 becomes 0. From 10 we have given one number. So 9 remains. 9 minus 6 is 3. Look at question number 3. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? Once again, this is a question related to subtraction. Let's answer this. Whenever this type of a word problem is given, it's very important to write the statements. Number of votes secured by successful candidate is 5,77,500. Number of votes secured by his nearest rival is 3,48,700. Now to find the margin between them, I need to subtract. So margin between them will be equal to, this is a question related to subtraction, so I'll mention this minus here. You subtract now. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is once again 0. From here you will take one carry. It becomes 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. So 6 remains here. From here you will take one carry. It becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. So this has become 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So it becomes 2,28,800. Now we can conclude, therefore, the successful candidate won by a margin of 2,28,800 votes. Now you must have understood it. Let's move on to the question number 4. Kirti Bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June, and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? Here we have to solve it in phases. The first phase is we will find out the total number of books sold. So this part is addition. So let me mention the answer here. Books sold in first week is 2,85,891 and the books sold in second week is 4,768. Now to find the total books sold, I need to add them up. It's simple addition. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 8 plus 8 is 16. It becomes 6, 8 and 6. 6,86,659. Now the question is, in which week the sale was greater? Since 4,768 is a larger number than 2,85,981, I can say that the sale of second week was greater. We have answered this part, in which week the sale was greater. Now I need to answer by how much. Now the question is related to subtraction. For that, I need to take books sold in second week, which is 4,768, and the books sold in first week, which is 2,85,981. Now I need to subtract to get more books in second week. So this is a question related to subtraction. On subtraction, we'll be getting 1,14,877. So 1,14,877 more books were sold in the second week. Let us move on to the next question, question number 5. Find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 each only once. Count the number of digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 digits. So the greatest 5-digit number using the digits I have to find. Same way, the smallest 5-digit number using these digits I need to find. After finding that, I need to find the difference. So let me write the greatest 5-digit number using 62743 is 76432, and the smallest 5-digit number using 62743 will be 23467. So now I need to find out their difference. So to find the difference, I need to subtract. Upon subtracting, I'll be getting 52,965. You can cross check this. This will be the difference of the numbers. Look at question 6. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? In the month of January, which means there will be 31 days. So the number of screws manufactured in a day is given. Multiply this with the number of days, you will get the total number of screws produced in the particular month. Let me mention that number of screws manufactured in a day is 2,825. Therefore, number of screws manufactured in January will be 2,825 should be multiplied with 31. Keep multiplying that, you'll be getting 87,575. So the total number of screws manufactured in January 2006 is 87,575. Have a look at question 7. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1,200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? So we have to solve this in detail. They have given the cost of one radio. The cost of one radio is given as rupees 1,200. She is purchasing 40 radios, so the cost of 40 radios will be rupees 1,200 multiplied by 40. We get it as rupees 48,000. They have given the total money she was having. So total money with merchant is rupees 78,000 592. Now she has purchased the radios, 40 radios. So the money spent by her will be rupees 48,000. Therefore, money left with her we need to find the difference. So I need to subtract. Upon subtracting, we will be getting the amount as 30,592. So 30,592 will remain with her after the purchase. Look at question 8. A student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? They have given a hint also. Do you need to do both multiplications? Yes, we need to do both multiplication. We'll first find out the wrong answer, then we'll find out the right answer, then we'll find out the difference in the answers. So let me first find out the wrong answer. Wrong answer will be 7,236 multiplied by 65. If 5 is multiplied to these numbers, we'll be getting 36,180. If 6 is multiplied to these numbers, we'll be getting 43,416. Let me add these two. I'll be getting 4,70,340. This is the wrong answer. Now, instead of 65, if it was taken as 56, student would have got the correct answer. Let me find out the correct answer. The correct answer was supposed to be 7236 multiplied by 56. If 6 is multiplied to this number, we'll be getting 43,416. 43,416. If 5 is multiplied to this number, we'll be getting 36,180. Now you add them, we'll be getting 6, 1, 12, 1 carry, we get 5, then it becomes 10. We'll be getting 4,05,216. So the difference in answer will be 4,70,340. We need to subtract 4,05,216. Let's subtract. We will be getting 65,124. You can cross-check the answer. Let's move on to the next question. The question is, to stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed out of 40 meter cloth. how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? They have also given a hint. Hint is convert data in centimeter. They have given 2 meter 15 centimeter. Let us first convert that. So the cloth required to stitch one shirt is 2 meter 15 centimeter. Let's convert this 2 meter. It becomes 2 multiplied 100 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. Together it is 215 centimeter. They have given the length of the cloth. The total length of the cloth is given as 40 meter. On conversion, I need to multiply this 40 with 100 to get it centimeter. It becomes 4000 centimeter. Therefore, number of shirts can be stitched will be equal to 4000 divided by 215. Now this is a question related to division. Let's divide in our usual method. 215 divides 4000. 215 one time is 215. I need to subtract. If you subtract, we'll be getting 1850. I am taking this 0 down. 215 8 times if you take, it is 1720. Now if you subtract, we get 130. This is the remainder. So I can conclude 18 shirts can be stitched and 130 centimeter cloth will remain. Whatever the remainder we get, that much length of the shirt material will be left out. Let's move on to the next question. Question 10. Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. How much such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? Now this question is also related to division. They have given weight of each box. It's a combination of kg and gram. Let's convert each one of them in grams. Let's do that. The weight of one box is 4 kg 500 gram. Let's convert this 4 kg into grams. I need to multiply 1000 plus 500 gram. We will be getting it as 4500 gram. Maximum load can be loaded in van is 800 kg. Let me convert that also in grams. Maximum load can be loaded in van is 800 kg. Let me convert that in grams. It becomes 800 multiplied to 1000. So 3 zeros I need to add. So much gram. Therefore, number of boxes will be equal to 8 lakh divided by 4500. So I need to divide this now. So 4500 divides 8 lakh. 4500 one time is 4500 upon subtraction. I'll be getting 3500. I'll take 1 0. 7 times is 31500. Subtract. You will be getting once again 35000. 7 times is 31500. We get 3500. This 3500 is smaller than 4500, so I have to stop our division at this stage. So approximately 177 boxes are required. Alright, we'll solve 2 more questions and then we'll complete this exercise. Question 11. The distance between the school and the house of students' house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. She walks both the ways, so the distance is taken 2 times. Distance between school and home is 1875 kilometer. If you convert this 1 kilometer 875 meter in kilometer, it is 1875 kilometer. The distance between home and school is also same, so we can add them up. Let me mention that distance between, this is a short form for writing between school and home, is 1875 kilometer, and the distance between home and the school is same 1875 kilometer. So if you add them up, if you add these two, we'll be getting the total distance covered in 1 day. So we need to add them. If you do addition, we'll be getting 3750 kilometer. That is for 1 day. They have asked the distance covered in 6 days. Therefore, distance covered in 6 days will be 3750 multiplied by 6. We will be getting this as 22,500. Therefore, I can conclude 22 kilometer 500 meters distance covered in 6 days. This is how we can solve it. Let's solve the last question of this session. Look at the question. A vessel has 4 liter and 500 milliliter of curd. In how many glasses each of 25 milliliter capacity can be filled? It's a question related to division. Capacity of the curd in a vessel is 4 liter, 500 milliliter. Let me convert that in terms of milliliter only. So let me write that capacity of curd in a vessel is 4 liter, 500 milliliter. When you convert this liter in milliliter, I need to multiply 1000. So finally I'll be getting 4500 milliliter. They are given the capacity of glass. One glass is 25 milliliter. Now I need to find out the number of glasses. So the number of glasses can be filled will be equal to 4500 divided by 25. Let's do division. 25 divides 4500. One time is 25 and we get 20 here. So it should be 0 should be taken. 8 time is exactly 200. Here one more 0 is there, so we have to place a 0. Therefore 180 glasses can be filled by curd. This completes exercise 1.2. We shall continue exercise 1.3 in our next session. Thank you.